All right, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do after you upload that YouTube video in 6 simple steps, okay? So step number 1, you're going to upload that YouTube video, and after that, you're going to make sure that you have the same file name as the actual video title itself. This is great for search purposes, so make sure that that file name is edited to be the same or similar to the actual title. Next, we're going to be looking at the description. Now, for the description, I like to use a little prompt with the help of ChatGPT, and with that, I'm going to put the prompt here on the screen, and you'll see it right here. And I already have it set up there. So it says, please help me write a 200-word YouTube video description that is packed with relevant keywords for SEO. Please reference below when writing the description. Very simple prompt. I'm going to throw in the actual title into the title section there of this prompt. And then from there, the niche. The niche for this particular video would be AI enthusiasts. And target viewers, I would say digital marketers, small business owners, AI users, ChatGPT users. All right, so through that, I'm going to hit the enter, and it's going to give me my YouTube description. I am actually using a custom GPT that is a personal ghostwriter that writes everything in my tone, which I think is important as well to give that level of authenticity. Now, once I have this specific YouTube video description, and I am going to copy and paste this verbatim right into YouTube. All right, perfect. So you'll just want to give it a quick read through before publishing. Obviously, for the sake of time, I'm just going to put this right in there and edit it later on. Okay. All right, so from there, next what you're going to want to do is go to upload that thumbnail. And so once you have the thumbnail, most of the thumbnails, you might have a designer that's probably already going to create it. It needs to have pop. It needs to have something around the topic and headline in there that's eye-catching, that gets people to stop scrolling through their feed and want to click on that specific thumbnail. So there we go. Are we losing our creativity? There's the thumbnail we're going to use for this. From there, I like to add it to a playlist. In this case here, it's going to be Amplify Your Brand, AI Marketing, and Business. And ensuring that you're filling in all these fields as well, which is important. This one's not made for kids, not using a paid promotion. It is authentic, so I'm going to say no to any of this altered content. And then it's going down. I want to ensure that I add in my tags. Now in this section here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to GPT, and I'm going to use a prompt to say, please provide relevant YouTube hashtags or YouTube tags for this video. Please do not exceed 500 characters. Boom. And then that's going to spit me out all of the tags that I need. And once I have those tags, I can go ahead and easily input those into YouTube. All right, perfect. Okay, it knows exactly what I need. And it does it all split by commas as well. So when I go to put it in the actual tag section, it should easily do it. Perfect. Okay, awesome. And if anybody's wondering, if you're wondering why these scores are here, that's done through a platform we use called vidIQ. I'll put a link for that in the comments of this video. All right, so from there, I'm going to choose my video language. I'll just put English Canada. There, I'll leave the rest as none. And I'll keep the licensing as is, how to video as well. And from there, we are pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I got an optimized score here from vidIQ of 88 out of 100. I'm pretty content with that. So we're going to go next. And the next thing we need to do is add that end screen. This is very simple to do, but very important. This is that screen that's going to show up at the end of the YouTube video, giving the user an option to watch that next video from our channel. So I'm going to add an end screen here. I prefer to use, I like the one that's got the 2 and the 1 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick on that one there. Perfect. Make sure the screen looks good. It's going to have my little icon here, which encourages people to subscribe. In terms of the actual video itself, I'm going to click on this here where it says video. And what I want to do is click on most recent upload, so it keeps people encouraged to watch that most recent video that was posted or uploaded before this one. Okay. From there, I think we are good to go right there. So yes, there's that's all you need to know about that. And in case of the bottom one here, I'm linking that to my podcast channel. So anybody else has the option to view podcast episodes on YouTube as well. I'm going to save that as is. And then from there, I am just going to hit next. And we are good to go. There was a tip that I heard about uploading it not directly or right away. Give it a bit of a schedule. So if you schedule it out, it's going to give these recommended best times. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it like 24 hours from now. So what I'll do is I'll schedule it to go out on January 3rd. And I'll say, let's pump it out there at around, let's say around, I don't know, 7:45 p.m. Okay. So I'm going to set that out there. I'm going to schedule it, and it'll be set to go out at that time. Now, one last thing, last thing to consider, what I'm going to do and what I suggest you do as well is go into the comment section once the video is published and write a quick comment relevant to the video to encourage people to engage in the content. So it could be something as simple as, do you find AI is stifling your creativity? Could be a question relevant to this video. But what that comment does, it is encourages people to engage on the content afterwards. But anyway, if you have any questions about this video, feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon.